For Angela, living as a woman has been easier than for many transsexuals who may not pass as well. And in a few weeks she will be having the sex change surgery that will remove her genitals and erase any external physical trace of her maleness. But around the house there are still scattered remnants of her history as David.
This is a picture of a B-52H model, which is one of the many B-52s that I flew while I was in the Air Force. I'm one of the few people alive who has time in all operational models of the B-52. That would be the B model, C, D, E, F, G, and H. In this closet, we have my military uniforms that I wore during my 21 years in the Air Force flying B-52s. And I also have 14 air medals for flying over Vietnam. They just look kind of like somebody else's. It's been so long I've forgotten what it is like to wear them. Okay, this is my shop building. And we're going to see in here a treasure that my male alter ego used to live. This is a 1955 Pontiac, which is very similar to one that I owned when I was about 18. When I began transition, I completely and totally lost interest in doing this kind of work, which is a very big personality change for me.
It's a huge one. Not only that, but before we moved to this house, David was so interested in cars that of all hobbies, this one was almost an obsession. And to park it here and then to do almost nothing was a huge change, literally.
In some ways, I feel like my dad is gone. Sometimes I get upset about it even now. I miss Mr. Fix-It. You know, I mean, the capability's still there, but the desire is not there anymore.
Most of the hobbies that David, my evil twin, took on were very, very intense and very time-consuming and required a lot of thought and time. And the reason that David took those on was to sublimate the yearning to be a woman.